Two insurance giants, one classic, one disruptive, face off in a direct comparison. Which company really has your back? On one side, we have Nationwide, a trusted name with decades of experience. On the other, Root Insurance, the tech-driven newcomer shaking up the industry. Forget the marketing slogans, let's see how their coverage, costs, and service actually stack up. We'll award points in each category so you can clearly see which insurer takes the lead. And trust me, the winner here might just surprise you. Here's a quick mind map of the main categories we're about to compare: price and savings, customer experience, technology and innovation, coverage options, and of course, availability. Each has its quirks, and trust me, they matter more than you might think. Okay, let's talk about the thing everyone cares about first: price and savings. With Nationwide, you get those good old-fashioned discounts and the ability to bundle stuff like home or pet insurance. But, and this is important, it's pretty traditional in how they price things, which can mean higher rates for some people. Now, Root Insurance takes a totally different route. They use their app to actually track your driving, and if you're a safe driver, you could see some real savings. Like, it can be way cheaper. But yeah, here's the catch. If you're not exactly the safest driver, or if you don't qualify for their program, your premiums could shoot up and not everyone can even get in. So for this category, Root takes the win if you're a good driver and techie, but it's not a slam dunk for everyone. Moving on to customer experience. So Nationwide is as old school as it gets in a good way. They have 24/7 phone support and this huge network of agents that you can actually sit down and talk to, which, let's be real, is kind of rare these days. Downside, their claims process isn't always the fastest, which can be frustrating. Root, on the other hand, is all about the app. You do most things with just a few taps and their claims process can be super quick. But customer support is mostly through the app too, and reviews about their claims help are, honestly, kind of mixed. So overall, Nationwide nudges ahead here if you like actually talking to real people. Now, if we're talking technology and innovation, oh man, Root is kind of flexing on Nationwide here. Nationwide does offer online quotes and some digital claims things, but it's not really breaking any new ground. Meanwhile, Root uses their app to track how you actually drive and sets your rates based on that. Plus, the whole app setup is way more modern and streamlined. But yup, there's a but: you have to have a smartphone, and sometimes people complain the app can be a little glitchy. Still, Root's approach is way more cutting edge. This is their category to win, no question. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know the very first auto insurance policy ever was sold way back in 1897 and cost only $12? Seriously. Imagine paying that today. Coverage options? Now this is where Nationwide totally shows off. They've got like every kind of insurance you can think of: auto, home, pet, all the add-ons. You can bundle and mix and match, though their options can sometimes feel a bit overwhelming. Root, they keep it simple: core auto coverage and a few add-ons like roadside help, but that's pretty much it. If you want to bundle home and auto or just want more choices, Nationwide wins by a mile here. And now, availability. Here's the thing: Nationwide is literally, well, nationwide. All 50 states, you're good to go. Root is still rolling things out and right now only covers about 30 states. So if you're hoping for Root and you don't live in one of those states, welp, you're out of luck. Nationwide absolutely takes this one. Let's quickly visualize all this on a radar chart, where you can really see how Nationwide and Root trade blows across price, experience, tech, coverage, and where they're actually available. So here's how I see it. If you want broad coverage, lots of bundling options, and the peace of mind that comes with talking to a real agent wherever you are in the US, Nationwide is just super solid. But if you're kind of obsessed with your phone, love the idea of saving money based on your actual driving, and you live where it's offered, Root might be the cooler pick. At the end of the day, Nationwide is the overall winner thanks to its full-service options and total availability. But for techie, safe drivers in Root-friendly states, it's a really tempting challenger. Compare your choices wisely, and hey, stay tuned for more smart, honest insurance breakdowns coming soon.